Hello, this is Annalisa from Faith Dream Crate, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have some cleaning motivation for you in the craft room. So this was actually filmed a few months ago. I am also a homeschool mom, and this was filmed at the end of our school year, back in about June, maybe beginning of July, when we were finishing up our school year. And we were finishing up our projects, and I was doing some projects, and it just got out of hand. But it is still great motivation to get our crafty spaces clean. And if you have a space that is messy, a craft room, or whatever, definitely go ahead and put this video on and clean along with me. So hopefully this video will motivate you to get your craft room back in shape. As you can see, there was definitely a lot of piles as I organized different spots in our home and put it here. I feel like I was going to try and reorganize some of these spaces, and then we had some projects, and I was working with my silhouette cameo, so that was out. Sometimes things just pile up, and our craft room actually looks a little bit different since this video, and I recently shared my craft room tour video, and things have changed a little bit as we finished up for summer starting. I had time to kind of assess if it was really working for us and what I could change and how I could make it better for us going back to school, because I do school here with my kids, and I have my desk and my boys have their desks to craft at, and they've been doing a lot more crafting over at their desks, so we have definitely switched some things around. So stay tuned for an updated space as we get familiar with the space, and then we'll go ahead and share it at a later date. Just going ahead and organizing and putting things away where they belong. Getting all the school stuff put away so that later on I can go ahead and give it a good declutter and switch it for the next year as well. Which we have definitely started, and we are enjoying it. But yes, it definitely needed to be done. So then here is my desk. Definitely a lot of piles from different projects that I had been working on over the summer and just over the months of June and coming into the summer. It is such a great feeling to just have your desk cleaned up after projects. I am on the go with 3 kiddos and crafting, and just crafting brings me so much joy. But with homeschool being right in the central area, too, things pile up. I have to go do other things. And so yeah, messes do happen, but cleaning off that desk space is such a great feeling. I don't even want to touch my desk for like a day, but I know that I should dive into crafting again. But you just have that feeling of not wanting to touch your desk for a little while. So getting all of the things off, and then I'm giving my desk a good wipe down. I love that wipe down of the desk. It just freshens everything up and gives you such a beautiful, fresh space. Alrighty. And then just wiping down the fold-out table just in case there is any splatters and all of that jazz. And finishing up this side, and then I will go ahead and close this, putting away my cutting mat. And that little basket there is like our morning basket where we have like the things we do in the morning together as a homeschool family. And sometimes we do them throughout our day. That is still something new in our homeschool, but that is where it's sitting at this time. It's kind of moving around a little bit. And then I will go ahead and wipe down the top of the table and get the dust off the cameo and put that table away. And then I go ahead and clean off my son's melting bead area. This is his job, but this particular day I wanted to give it a deep clean and just make it fresher and better so that he's more motivated to go and do it. Sometimes I feel like he gets overwhelmed, just like we get overwhelmed with our spaces. Sometimes I just don't want to clean the craft room area because it's overwhelming, and that's okay, but eventually we need to go ahead and get it done. So I hope this video is motivating you. I know that when I watch these kind of videos, I feel motivated and inspired to go get these spaces done, and I'm like, oh, I need to go clean. Like, I want to go clean. So we're almost getting there. We're getting this done, and then I'm just giving my son's desk a little bit of a wipe freshening it up like I did with my desk. And I was doing this at night because that's when I can do a deep clean of the room. And it's also easier to set up the tripod. No little ones to knock it over. Let's be honest. Alrighty. So then I'm just moving a few things around here so that I can sweep. And then you do see some piles there on the couch. That stuff needed to go away in my other homeschool organization area, or it needed to go in our hallway to books. Yes. So my craft room is in my living room off of our dining room. And yeah, so here is the clean space. Desk all organized and clean. And the floor, no more melting beads. Woohoo! No matter what you do, they always end up on the floor. And then the desk is folded down, the folding dining room table that we use in the craft space. And then the desk still has a few things on it, but it's definitely more organized. I just did not have places to put that. And the floor is decluttered and no more. And then all our homeschool supplies are put away. There is the clean craft room. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this motivated you to go clean your space and organize it. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I share card making videos, Bible journaling, and crafting do-it-yourself projects in between. So thank you so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you who come and watch my videos. And that's how we close off the area so my little one doesn't get in. And then I do have to go ahead and put all these books away, but I will get to that now, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.